Hello. How are you? Very good. You look. I can wear my mask. I don't think you can park here.
Why?
I'm just fucking with you. You were looking at me like, okay, is this a cop? Like, who is this person?
Like I know there's red right there, but...
No, I'm kidding. I saw you in the car, and you looked very nice without the mask. I also look good. I just want to show you. What's your name? Hi. How are you? I was sitting with my friend at the cafe, and I saw you. You look absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to say hello. Hold on, I'm gonna wear my mask. You look very good, and you look like you're chilling. So.
Oh yes, I'm chilling. Just enjoying the day.
Enjoying the day? Hold on, now we can talk safely.
Yeah.
What's the plan for the day?
Just enjoying my day off.
Should I wear a mask?
You're fine.
I'm fine? Okay. How's your day going?
It's good.
What's the plan?
I'm at work right now.
You're at work currently? You're at work?
Mm-hmm.
You work for the street,
No.
You work for city? You work for the city urban planning? That's good.
I work at a boutique.
You work at a boutique, okay.
Yeah.
This is your break?
Mm-hmm.
Well, okay, even better without the mask. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, hi. How are you? Oh yeah, I was like, what, you're screaming? What's going on? It's okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I was drinking.
Drinking? You look very beautiful. I wanted to say hello.
Thank you.
See how the day is going. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
No, you have very nice eyes. I don't know. We had like a little eye contact.
Thank
And you have very nice eyes. And
you as well. Yeah.
thank you. And so I wanted to say hello, meet you, see how is your day going.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Ruben,
Ruben?
nice to meet you.
Meet you. I just shake your hand, but
Yeah, I
I live in
understand.
San Jose.
I understand. What's going on? Just
I'm actually just
Some
running over
errands?
to Susie Cakes. I used to grab a birthday.
is it your birthday? No, I guess not. Otherwise, you wouldn't have to bring it.
I mean, I'd be really sad if I did.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Brother's birthday.
Bro, okay, that's
So,
cool.
big 23.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
What are you up to on this day?
I'm just taking a walk. Enjoying the sun a little bit. It is a beautiful day. How's the coronavirus for you? Are you able to?
Yeah, I'm still able to do and enjoying socially distanced.
Yeah. Are you able to see your friends?
Yeah, some friends.
Some
I have
friends?
a lot of friends who work in the healthcare, so.
What'd you say?
I have a lot of friends who work in healthcare.
Oh, so you don't want to see so I guess like they're exposed, so
Yeah.
you don't want to see them.
Yeah,
I see.
difficult too. What are you doing?
I was just having coffee with my friend, and I saw you. I thought you looked great. The tan with the color scheme also. I like so.
I like yours too. You look good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, get some points for me as well. Nice.
How's your day going?
It's okay. It's doing good. I'm just seeing my friend who's about to move out. I feel like everyone is moving out of the
I'm
city
in the
right
middle
now.
of doing that.
You also? Where are you going?
Here in the area.
Ah, okay, but you're staying.
Yeah,
You're staying in SF.
here, but it's a
What's your name? Ruben.
Ruben, where are you from? Ruben?
I'm from France originally, but I've been living here for a while now.
Nice. You live here in the city?
Yeah, I live by Dolores Park.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico City. But
Oh, nice.
Where are you from?
France.
Nice. Are you just visiting or do you live here?
No, I live here. I'm thinking about maybe traveling for a while because I feel like a lot of my friends are leaving, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hard time to travel though.
What about you?
I live here. I'm just, cruising. But,
Cruising?
Yeah.
What's your name? Nice, Ruben.
Ruben?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
And are you able to feel socially, like to talk to people? Do you feel lonely? Or that's why I came. I just wanted to make sure you didn't feel too lonely because you looked a bit distressed. So.
Oh no, I'm perfectly good.
Well, I don't want to hold you for too long. I don't want you to get fired. But let's get a glass of wine next week.
You live in the marina?
I actually live by Dolores Park.
Oh really?
But do you discriminate based on the neighborhoods?
No, I don't.
Do you live in the marina?
No, I used to live in Noe Valley.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And where do you live now?
I'm staying in East Bay,
In the East Bay, okay.
but I'm moving back out here this month.
This month?
Yeah.
I feel like everyone is moving, everyone is leaving the city, changing, like it's crazy. I'll let you go back to your busy day, but let's have a glass of wine at the park, since that's one of the only things we can do anymore. Instagram? No, but I'll... Yeah, let's do that. Well, good luck with the day, and
Awesome.
we'll hang out soon.
Shoot me a text.
Yeah, sounds good.
Nice seeing you.
Bye. Well, I don't want to. You seem very busy suntanning right now, but
Just enjoying the day.
but I'd love to. I don't know, have a glass of wine at the park, eat some vegetables.
Oh, no, I'm okay.
You okay? No worries. Have a nice day.
What's your name? Do I know your name?
Ruben. Well, you have a bad memory, but it's okay. I'll let that one fly for now.
Ruben. Okay.
You're-
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll text you. I'll text you right now with my name.
Okay.
Have a lovely day.
Alright.
See you soon. I'd love to get a glass of wine, go walk around in the
I'm
park.
in a relationship.
You're in a
but
relationship.
I appreciate that.
It's okay.
Thank
Well,
you.
have a lovely day. Yeah, I mean,
You
great
too.
eyes. Have a great day.
You too. You too.
Have a good one. But I'd love to hang out, get a glass of wine at the park.
Sure.
You know,
Why not?
why not?
Grab my number.
I'll make sure to bring my hand sanitizer so we can shake hands.
I appreciate that really.
Okay, you can tell me your number.
All these weird idiosyncrasies.
And you said
Not common, I understand.
Okay, nice. I'll text you my name right now. Well, have a lovely day and happy birthday to your brother.
I'll let them know.
With the COVID and everyone wearing masks, it can feel even weirder to go up and approach someone random. You don't even see their faces, you can't see their facial expressions. It feels like there's even less to grab on, and you're not sure how people are going to react. But I try to remind myself that we're all human beings, and I think that now more than ever we all crave connection. As you may have picked up in some of the conversations, I decided to move from SF. I'm actually currently in Paris. This is the Luxembourg Garden. It's one of my favorite spots. And I'll be in France the month of September. I might go to Amsterdam a little. I'll go to New York in October. And then I'm not sure. I kind of want to travel, film in different cities, and also something I would love to do is to meet you guys and film videos with you. So if you want to talk to random people, if you want to talk to girls you're attracted to, let me know. Send me an email at ruben@socialanimal.us and we'll meet up and film some cool interactions. That's it for today. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you next time.